we really have no words to describe our feelings or the situation on the ground. We have been in Gaza for more than 30 years, but this is something that goes beyond our imagination. Half of the population of the Gaza Strip has been asked to evacuate towards the south. But people have literally nowhere to go, no way to get to the south, no more directions. There are no services waiting for them. They are not able to move with the elderly, the children, or their cars on bombarded roads. As humanitarians, we feel complete despair and helplessness. There is no time, not the conditions, nor the resources to respond to such a catastrophic situation. The only thing we can do is to wait and pray that this is over soon.